Hi, welcome to Southbridge. Unemployment is one of the major problems in the Philippines. There is an Android app that will help us to find a job in the Philippines. It is called JobPH. Let's try to install it. JobPH app has more than 64,000 job listings available and is regularly updated. You can search the location of your desired job. As you can see, there are many jobs available for any field. You can submit your application. Just type your email and attach your resume. You can filter search results by keywords and cities. You can search jobs from major cities in the Philippines like Quezon City, Manila City, Caloocan City, Davao City, Zamboanga City, Antipolo City, Cebu City, and many more. I hope you can get hired through the help of JobPH app. Bye.